Drug safety is a primary concern throughout the medical product development lifecycle. DIA's Drug Safety e-learning program provides the knowledge you need from regulations and requirements through pre-market review and post-market monitoring. The online comprehensive program includes 6 self-paced modules that have been designed using the latest instructional strategies, including microlearning and gamification, to improve retention and make learning convenient for busy professionals. Each module is broken down into bite-sized chunks of information that can typically be consumed in 5 to 10-minute increments, preventing cognitive overload and improving learning outcomes. Learners have access to the e-learning modules 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for 1 full year, and are mobile compatible, making it easy to learn on the go. Continuing education credits are offered for all modules. Let's explore the Drug Safety e-learning program. The Drug Safety e-learning program begins with an Introduction to Drug Safety module. This Introduction to Drug Safety module provides a foundation of knowledge required to work day-to-day in clinical safety and pharmacovigilance. This module provides information on the legal basis for safety reporting, including a historical perspective, basic definitions and tools, the mechanics of drug safety and pharmacovigilance, reference safety information provided by the investigator's brochure and post-marketing labeling, and evaluation of seriousness, expectedness, and causality. This module is organized into the following lessons. Lesson 1, Drug Safety, the Basics. Lesson 2, Terminology. Lesson 3, a Company Safety Unit. Lesson 4, Tracking a Case from Start to Finish. Lesson 5, Assessing Cases. Lesson 6, Reference Safety Information, the Investigator's Brochure and Post-Marketing Labeling. Each lesson in this e-learning program is further divided into topics. This enables you to go through a discrete bit of content in 5 to 10 minutes. You can access specific topics using the menu, or simply click the Next button to go through the module in order. The Drug Safety e-learning program then proceeds with a module on drug safety regulatory requirements. The Drug Safety Regulatory Requirements module provides information about pharmacovigilance regulatory requirements around the world. This module includes harmonization initiatives, key U.S. and EU regulations, drug safety regulations, good clinical and pharmacovigilance practices, and standard operating procedures, or SOPs, that support drug safety. This module is organized into the following lessons. Lesson 1, Harmonization Initiatives. Lesson 2, Important U.S. Regulations. Lesson 3, Important EU Regulations. Lesson 4, 2010 EU Legislation. Lesson 5, Global Safety Regulatory Resources. Lesson 6, Good Pharmacovigilance Practices, Documentation. Lesson 7, Standard Operating Procedures. The Drug Safety Program explores pre-marketing clinical trial safety. The Pre-Marketing Clinical Trial Safety e-learning module provides a framework and details around drug safety requirements for clinical trials for drugs in humans. This module provides information about safety and ethical safeguards in place to protect human subjects in clinical trials, informed consent, institutional review boards and ethics committees, and data safety monitoring boards. It provides the details on individual case reporting and aggregate reporting requirements. A case study will provide real-world context and the opportunity to apply the concepts learned in this module. Finally, the module will discuss risk assessment and the pre-marketing review of safety data in a new product or marketing application. This module is organized into the following lessons. Lesson 1, Informed Consent. Lesson 2, Institutional Review Boards and Ethics Committees. Lesson 3, Data and Safety Monitoring Boards. Lesson 4, Individual Case Reporting. Lesson 5, Aggregate Reporting. Lesson 6, Case Study. Lesson 7, Risk Assessment. Lesson 8, Pre-Marketing Review of Safety Data in a Marketing Application. The fourth module of the Drug Safety e-learning program is the Postmarketing Safety Management module. The Postmarketing Safety Management module provides a framework and details around safety monitoring requirements for medical products, including drugs, biologics, devices, and combination products after they are approved for marketing. For the sake of simplicity, we will use the term drugs throughout the module, but will delineate any differences among product types as appropriate. This module provides information about spontaneous reporting, aggregate reporting, risk assessment, benefit risk management plans, and risk evaluation and mitigation strategies. This module is organized into the following lessons. Lesson 1, Spontaneous Reporting. Lesson 2, Case Study Exercises. Lesson 3, Aggregate Reporting. Lesson 4, Benefit Risk Assessment. Lesson 5, Risk Management Plans in the EU. Lesson 6, Risk Evaluation and Mitigation Strategies. Lesson 7, Postmarketing Case Studies. Next, you'll learn about signal detection in our Basics of Signal Detection and Pharmacoepidemiology module. This module provides information about basic concepts of safety signal detection, currently available safety databases and their characteristics, data mining and the use of statistics in drug safety, principles of pharmacoepidemiology and the context for interpreting signaling results, and signaling regulations. This module provides information about safety signal basics, safety databases, data mining and the use of statistics in drug safety, principles of pharmacoepidemiology, and signaling regulations and guidances. This module is organized into the following lessons. Lesson 1, Safety Signal Basics. Lesson 2, Safety Databases. Lesson 3, Data Mining and the Use of Statistics in Drug Safety. Lesson 4, Principles of Pharmacoepidemiology. Lesson 5, Signaling Regulations and Guidances. The Drug Safety e-learning program rounds out with a module on safety audits and inspections. The Safety Audits and Inspections module provides an introduction to audits and inspections as part of pharmacovigilance. This module provides information about audits and inspections, with specific focus on the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, European Medicines Agency, EMA, the UK's Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, or MHRA, and Health Canada inspections. The module also discusses common inspection findings, how companies should respond to an inspection, and best practices for managing safety audits and inspections. This module is organized into the following lessons. Introduction to Safety Audits and Inspections, FDA Inspections, EMA and MHRA Inspections, Health Canada Inspections, Inspection Findings, Responding to an Inspection, Managing Audits and Inspections, Best Practices for Companies. Thank you for your interest in the DIA Drug Safety e-learning program.